All right, everybody, let's take a look at Ethereum. We're going to take a look at Ethereum. I'm going to show you some actionable trade setups that I'm looking at on Ethereum using price action. And we're going to start on actually going to switch over to the monthly. We're going to see what is this market doing on the monthly. Well, there's nothing actionable right now on it, but I did want to just show you. We have made a higher high here. Now, is this the start of a pullback? Possibly. We won't know that until January, end of January at the earliest, when the next monthly candle close is done. So for now, nothing we can trade on the monthly. But if we go over to the weekly, we do have some actionable things shaping up, although not near as actionable as what we've got shaken on Bitcoin. So what we see is the red line is the short-term weekly market structure. So we see it's quite obvious. We are in an uptrend. The 52 period moving average is the red line. We are in an dominant uptrend on the higher time frame, which is in alignment with the shorter time frame uptrend. Now, right now, the momentum is to the downside on the weekly. We do have a short-term swing high that has been confirmed. So what we need to see in order to be really bullish on Ethereum is for this short-term low to confirm as a short-term low. And if you've been following my teachings, you will know that we do not use inside bars to confirm swing points. So what that means is some people look at that and say, oh, this is a higher low, look, higher low. Well, this is not confirmed until this middle bar gets traded to its high. So there's a lot of good long action that can happen in between here and there. That's a long ways away. That's if I pull out the percent calculator, that's a 20% move on Bitcoin that you will miss using the weekly chart if you're waiting for this to confirm. But that's just the way it goes sometimes. Now on the daily chart, we do have stuff that is actionable, and that's where I'm going to be focusing most of my attention on Ethereum. A bit different from Bitcoin. I have a few scenarios I'm watching on Bitcoin on the weekly and the daily that are actionable quite immediately, depending on what price does. We go over here to the daily. What we see here is the red line again denotes the short-term market structure. We see that we shifted into a Williams true trend change to the bearish side on the short term for the daily time frame here when this low got taken out. So what I want to see is I want to see the bulls show me strength before I get involved. So the ultimate most bullish trend change would be if price traded up to here. Now that's like we showed in the weekly chart a second ago. That's a long way for price to go, and you're going to miss a lot of good long trades for a price to get there if you wait for that confirmation. So what we want to see is basically, what is the high time frame trend? Well, the red line, the 52 period moving average, the trend is up on the higher time frame. The short-term market structure, we want to see the bulls show us strength in alignment with that higher time frame trend. So what we see is basically Ethereum showed weakness compared to Bitcoin. We didn't make a higher high here. I wanted to see a higher high here, followed by this being a higher low, and that would have given me the confidence needed to take longs on the H1 time frame or the H4 time frame in alignment with higher prices coming for Bitcoin. So what I want to see here is basically this is an opportunity for the bulls to show their strength. So we have a potential short-term low happening here. Again, inside bar cannot create a swing point. So we need this high to get traded to. So if the bulls can get Ethereum up to 3514.16, I will think that this thing is ready for higher prices and continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. And if that doesn't happen, I will just continue monitoring this short-term market structure and wait to see if we actually continue to trade lower. And you never know, this might start to roll over, and then the higher probability trades on the daily will then shift to the short side. So for now, it's just a waiting game. Again, just remember with trading, especially with these higher time frame charts, if you're trading the weekly or the daily chart, these trades can take a while to formulate and to give you the green light or the orange light to just sit back and wait, or the red light to just do nothing because there's no clear signals. Like the monthly chart, for example, there's nothing to do there right now for me. So that's how I'm looking to trade Ethereum. Essentially, let's let the bulls show us their strength. If they can show us strength, I believe the higher probability trades are to take longs right now on Ethereum on the daily time frame. On the weekly, the higher probability trades are theoretically to the downside after we've had the weekly swing high confirmed and there hasn't been a swing low confirmed. But it's all about the daily chart right now on Ethereum. If the bulls can show up on the daily chart, I do believe we get a continuation of this crypto bull market. So that's what I'm looking for on Ethereum. If you have any questions about how I analyze these markets, or if you want to come over into my Discord where we talk about commitment to traders strategies and also price action for a number of cryptos and legacy markets, you can feel free to shoot me a message, tradiustrades@gmail.com. Have yourself a good rest of your week.